Ben Clark allan at Ryan Brobl. Brobl di gweld yr hediad gan Redmond. Redmond i fewn i'r cwrs ar ergyd dros y trawst. Ar ei droed wana. Ond cyfle cynta'r gêm yn mynd i'r tîm cartre. Adrian Sislovic yn torri tu fewn, rhoi troed ar ysbardyn. Allan mae'n mynd at Baker. Baker, croesad isel. Jordan Williams heibio'r golwr, ond yn methu'r targed. Doedd na ddim trosedd ar y golwr yn ôl Cheryl Foster. Doedd y gol yn gwbl wag. A Williams, wel, fydd am eisiau gweld hon eto. Redmond dros y bêl ni gadael i Ryan Brobl. Peniad allan Monteg at John Routledge. Routledge ar ergyd! A'r bêl yn gwasgu'n greulon o dan Michael Jones. A'r Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Ychydig eiliadau cyn yr egwyl. Y siom yn amlwg ar wyneb y golwr. Roedd na gyrff o'i flaen o, ond mi o'n gwybod y dylai fod i gwneud yn well. Redmond ar arwydd, y bêl i fewn. Hudson yn codi a'r bêl yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell gan Cegidfa. Peniad da gan Hudson, ond yr amddiffynwr yn gwneud ei waith ar y llinell. Baker i fewn at Clark. Clark yn sgipio, heibio'r amddiffynwr. Clark ymlaen i fewn i'r cwrs, does o neb am i dacl fo, a Clark yn gyrru'r bêl yn hyfryd i'r gornel isa. Mae'n ddwy ddim i'r Seintiau efo rhyw 12 munud i fynd yma neuadd y parc. A siawns bod Ben Clark di sicrhau bod enw'r Seintiau Newydd, deiliad y cwpan, yn mynd ymlaen i'r rownd gynderfynol. Seintiau Newydd 2, Cegidfa dim.
Ben, through to the semi-final of the Welsh Cup, but they made it very difficult for you today.
Yeah, they sat back and made it very difficult. They wanted us to go wide, whereas we play with a lot of midfielders in the pitch. So they made it tough, but luckily we got the job done.
And in the first half, you had a couple of chances, but were you just not clinical enough in front of goal?
No, not clinical enough today. I had a chance myself and slashed at it. But they made it hard for us to get clinical chances, and fair play to them because they did put a shift in, and luckily we got the goal and then pushed on again for the second half and improved in the second half.
And then the second half, personally, a delightful goal by yourself. Well taken.
Yeah, it's always good to get a goal, don't get me wrong, but it's more about the team performance, and we can improve on that performance, hopefully going into semi-finals.
It's a 2-0 scoreline, but they made it a difficult game for you today.
Yeah, certainly did. I mean, we planned and prepared right for this game. We knew it was going to be a difficult game. I think any cup game, when you get this far in this competition, is going to be tough, is going to be hard, is going to be tactical battle. And I thought they set up really well, hard to break down. We had limited chances, although I think if we'd be honest with ourselves, we didn't play as well as what we have done or could do. So we were a bit disappointed with that. I thought we should have got a few more goals in the first half. But all in all, we'll take getting through to the next round, and credit to the opposition, but we know we've got a lot to work on.
Nathan, although it's a disappointing defeat, how proud are you of your players and your team today?
Oh, so proud of them. Very proud. In terms of the game plan, the work rate, I don't think they could have done much more really against top quality opposition. I mean, you don't get any better than TNS at home, big pitch. I thought they did themselves, showed a good account of ourselves on a massive pitch against, like say, top class players. They're fit, they're training most days, and they're a top team. And I just said to the lads there, they've stuck 3 past Connors Key recently, 4 past Carnarvon, 3 past Penabon, and then Druids recently back-to-back 4 or 5 goals. So they can be proud to come off there. Yes, we've lost, and I hate losing games of football, but I think they can be really proud of themselves tonight. So.